Hi, Kelly Cuck here with MarineMax at Lake of the Ozarks, and today we are aboard a 2018 Sea Ray Sundancer Coupe, a newer model for Sea Ray, and there's only one word to describe this boat, and that is versatile. Do you and your family cove out? If so, this is the perfect boat for you. Grill and sink area here on the swim platform. Boat is also equipped with a hydraulic swim platform that submerges down into the water. Make it easy in and out entry when you're out in the cove. Coming aboard the boat, the first thing I'd like to point out is this sunshade. Nice for those hot days in July and August. Now in the cockpit, we have a nice open floor plan. Great for entertaining. The helm seat rotates around, so the captain can also be a part of the party. Right now in the cockpit, we have a nice day here in June at Lake of the Ozarks. I have the boat opened up, so we've got a retractable sunroof, windows that on port and starboard that lower, and we have a nice vent here that allows air to come in. Another nice feature about this boat is that it does have cockpit air. For those days in July and August when it's unbearable, close all this up and have nice air conditioning to cool you. This boat is equipped with joystick Axia steering, which makes docking effortless. Also incorporated in the Axia system is Skyhook, which is an anchorless anchoring system that uses your GPS coordinate to keep you in place. The throttle is digital throttle and shift, which is a very smooth, cableless system that makes docking effortless. Another couple features here at the helm is we have a nice Simrad chart plotter, and we have a super nice upgraded Rockford Fosgate stereo system. Down below in the cabin, very nicely appointed, we have two beds that will comfortably sleep four. We have a slide out couch for another person. Unusual for a 35-foot boat, this boat has a dedicated shower in the head. It's got a full galley with everything that you would need to cook and entertain for the family. This has been Kelly Cuck with MarineMax at Lake of the Ozarks aboard the 2018 Sea Ray 350 Coupe. You can reach me at 573-365-5382.